Namaste children, I'm Padma, your Max teacher. Join your hands, close your eyes. Open your eyes, children. Okay, today I'm going to teach you an interesting subject. Okay, can you guess? We can see all around us. We can see all around us. We can see in all the objects. Okay, so whatever objects around us, it's in some shapes, based on some shapes. So today I'm going to teach you the world of shapes. Okay children, in this picture you can see different things which we use and some are around us. Yes, so see that each and everything is in different shapes. So children, it is understood that each and every objects are based on some shapes. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to identify the shapes. Understood children? Okay, there are two types of lines, curved lines and straight lines. So see the picture, there are four faces with different hairstyle. You can see that the hair in each style is not always straight. It is curved also. And see these two pictures, what they are doing. They are stretching a rope. So if you stretch a rope tightly, you get a straight line. If you hold the rope loosely, you get a curved line. Can you see? Yes. So the following objects have straight or curved lines. Just we are going to discuss. See the first one, it is a ruler. So ruler, what is the line you can see there? Yes, straight line. And see the sharpener? Yes, curved line. And here the book. You are having notebook? No. See? Yes, it is straight line. And here last one is ball. It is a curved line. So it is understood that squares, rectangles and triangles are made of straight lines. Circle and ovals are made of curved line. Okay children? Different types of lines that we are going to see: horizontal, vertical and slanting line. A straight line can be horizontal, vertical or slanting. Can you see the picture? Sleeping line is called horizontal, standing line is called vertical and slanting line is called slanting line. Okay. Now first one, horizontal line. You can see the pictures there. First one is fridge, second one door is there, and third one the bus is there. Observe it. Observe the top and bottom edges of a fridge, door and the bus. The lines formed by them are horizontal line. Understood children? Okay. Now you can see vertical line. Here a post is there and a street light is there and traffic signal and a tree. And here it is vertical line. When lines are drawn from top to bottom, that is in a standing position, they are called vertical lines. Understood, children? In short, standing line is called vertical line. Understood? Okay. Next is slanting line. Children, you can see the slide, the swing, and the seesaw. And here you can see the slanting line. So straight lines which are neither vertical nor horizontal are called slanting line. Understood, children? Okay, shall we go to the next? Now we are going to see plane shapes. Okay, that is the basic shapes you all know very well. You have learned from UKG, you are learning shapes. Okay, that is circle, rectangle, square, triangle, oval. And children, you know, these rectangle, square, triangle are having sides, edges, corners. Now I am going to explain you sides. So see there in the rectangle, it has 4 sides. It has 4 sides. You can see the opposite sides are same. In rectangle, the opposite sides are same. And the rectangle is having 4 corners. The rectangle is having 4 corners. Okay. Now see the circle. You know, circle and oval are not having sides and corners. So in that circle, you can see a circle is a round figure with no sides and corners. An oval has no sides and no corners. It is not purely round. Oval. Okay. And here the next, square. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. And you can see all the sides are equal here in square. And see the rectangle. A rectangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay, the rectangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay, children, now we are going to count the sides and corners in each shape. And you can see the object related to those shapes. Okay, here bangle, they have given an object for circle. Bangle match with circle. Okay, related object to circle. And here they have given postcard related to a rectangle shape. And carom board, which you like, no? Yes, that is related to square. And here you can see road signs. Have you seen? Yes, you would have seen when you are traveling to school or some other place. So road signs, it will be in a rectangle board. So next is egg, which is related to oval. Understood, children? Okay, now shall we count the sides and corners in the rectangle? Okay. See, there are 4 sides. 1 left side, and in the top 2, right side 3, and in the bottom 4. So there are 4 sides, and also you can see the sides where they joined are called corners. Understood, children? Yes, here in the square you can see 4 sides equally 4 sides are there. Understood, children? Don't forget that rectangle is having 4 sides, but the opposite sides are same, equal. And here in square, 4 sides are equal. And see the triangle. They have 3 sides and 3 corners. Understood, children? Children, now I am going to teach you solid shapes. Okay, first you learned basic shapes, and also you have learned the sides and corners. Yes, and here in solid shapes you're going to learn faces, edges and corners. Okay, first one, what is face? What is face? Here, a flat surface. For example, you can see the sides. Okay, it is called flat surface. So you can take a dice or your pencil box. Okay, for example, I'm telling, your book also you can take. So you can see the flat surface there, isn't it? So that surface is called face. Okay, next, edge. What is an edge? So two faces meet to make an edge. Where the two faces meet, that is two sides meet, is called edges. Understood, children? Now the next one, what is corner? What is corner? And you know, corner is also called as vertex. Corner is also called as vertex. Understood, children? Now, the corner is the point where two or more edges meet. Listen carefully, children. The corner is the point where two or more edges meet. So here, what is meant by flat? The surface. The flat surface is called face. Okay, the flat surface is called face. Where the two faces meet, that is called edges. And here in corner, where two or more edges meets, that is called corner or vertex. Understood, children? And in the third picture you can see the sphere, a corn, that is, it is having curved face. Okay, children, it is having curved face. So now, solid figures. Shapes such as a square, triangle, circle, rectangle and oval are all flat shapes without any thickness. Note this, children, without any thickness. But objects such as a pencil box, ball, birthday cap, gas cylinder, okay, these are all not having flat surface. These shapes are called solid shapes. Objects such as pencil box, ball, birthday cap, gas cylinder are not flat. These shapes are called solid shapes. Understood? They are having flat surface but not it is flat. Understood, children? They are having flat surface which is called face, and they are having edges and also corner. Here the first one, cube. It has, see, cube, for example, I told you can take your dice. Okay, it has 6 equal flat faces, you can count it, and 12 edges and 8 corners. Children, if you have dice, okay, you can count it so that you can understand easily. And next, cuboid, and for this you can have your pencil box, eraser. Okay, it has 6 flat faces. Count, children, it has 6 flat faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. And next is cylinder. So here cylinder, it has two flat faces, one curved face and two edges. Children, listen carefully. You can see the cylinder or the water tank, okay, or any drum. So see that you can count, it has two flat faces, one curved face and two edges. Next is spear. For spear you can have ball, okay. It has one curved face, no edges and no corner. Children, again I am telling you, in a spear, okay, there are no edges or no corner. It has one curved face, that's all. No edge and no corner. And see the next one, cone. Your birthday cap you can have, or a cone ice cream you can have, okay. It has one flat face. It has one flat face, one curved face, one edge and one vertex, that is one corner. Again I am telling you, in a cone you can have your birthday cap so that you can understand easily. It has one flat face, one curved face, one edge and one vertex. So children, solid shapes, if you are having those things which I explained here, for cube dice, for cuboid box, pencil box or an eraser, and for cylinder you can see the tank or drum or a cylinder. For spear you can have ball, and for cone you can have your birthday cap or cone ice, that cone, okay. So with this you can learn the flat faces, edges and corners of each object, that is solid figures. Understood children? Children, now you can see cube and cuboid. So here I am going to teach you faces, edges and corners. First, corner. What I told, corner is also called vertex. Okay. How many vertexes are there? Shall we count? How many vertexes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, there are 8 corners, that is 8 vertexes. Understood children? Okay. See, now how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, there are 12 edges. 2 faces meet to make an edges. Understood children? Now we are going to see the face. Okay, that is faces. What are faces? You can see. Yes, that surface is called faces. So here this flat surface is called, yes, face. See the dice. We can easily count the faces here. Shall we children? Are you ready? And there are, there are 6 numbers presented in the form of dots. Start to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, there are 6 faces in a cube. Yes, and all the faces are equal. All its faces are equal. Understood children? Okay. Now you can also see some objects here related to cube, so that you can easily understand the surface, that is faces, edges and corners. Here you can see some examples. Yes, can you understand? Okay. Here in a cube, 8 vertices are there, 12 edges are there and 6 faces are there. Very good, children. The next, rolling and sliding. So you know very well what is meant by rolling and what is called sliding. Okay, for example, if you throw your pencil, what will happen, children? Remember? Okay, you can take your eraser. If you push that on the floor, what will happen? It will slide. Okay, you can take eraser or box. Okay, it will slide. If you push a ball, what will happen? It will roll. And you noticed that some will roll and slide. For example, you can take your water bottle, a candle or a pencil. Okay, sometimes it will roll, sometimes it will slide. So this is called rolling and sliding. So based on those shapes, we can say it is rolling or sliding. So children, a cuboid and a cube will slide. Remember that which objects are in the shape like cuboid and cube, it will slide. And a shape, a sphere, okay, sphere shape will roll. And a cone and a cylinder will both roll and slide. Understood, children? So you can also do the activity at home. Take a ball, take a box, and you can take coin, but you should do the activity with your parents so that you can understand what is rolling and what is sliding. Children, based on shapes, I'm going to give you some worksheets. In that first one, match the shapes and name it correctly. Okay, you have to match the shapes. You can draw, children, and then you can match the shapes with their names. Okay. And now on this activity, you are going to circle the correct object related to the shapes. Understood, children? Circle the correct object related to given shapes. Okay. The next activity is you have to circle the objects for the given 3D shapes name. Here you are going to circle the objects for the given 3D shapes names. Understood, children? Okay, you have to circle with the name. Check and circle the correct one according to the name. The next one is drawing activity. Children, you have to draw the 5 basic shapes. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle and oval. Okay. Second one, draw an object for each solid shape. Cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cone. For these solid shapes, you have to draw any object related to these solid shapes. Understood, children? Now, children, remember that you have learned different types of lines, basic shapes, solid shapes and rolling and sliding. Understood? So children, you have to listen carefully, then you can do the activity easily. Understood, children? So with your notebook and pencil and have explained with some objects. If you can do the activity with those objects, but you should do the activity with your parents. Understood, children? With their permission you have to do the activity. Understood? Okay. Have a nice day. Have a great day. Thank you, children.